In this most recent chapter of our CTC Stealth Cargo Trailer build, we show you why we call it a triple-duty trailer. Plus, a few more add-ons that we hope make it a bit more appealing. This is the view of the swinging door from the interior of the trailer. We added 3 door hinges to the wall door, so that it could swing open into the trailer, making it a triple-duty camper, toy hauler or cargo trailer. Furniture sliders are used on the bottom of the door to make sure it does not put a mark on the vinyl floor. This is the view of the swinging door from the exterior of the trailer. This shows how it opens into the interior, providing cargo space for our stuff. Here you can see how the 3 heavy-duty door hinges support the weight of the wall with the air conditioner installed. It is relatively easy to open and close. In case you missed it in earlier episodes, this is a helpful handhold for entry to the trailer. Also shown is the peephole for viewing outside. Can't be too cautious these days. No kitchen is complete without refrigerator magnets on the refrigerator. It is a must. There is just no end to the useful things you can do with pool noodles. The kitchen got a wood grain backsplash to protect the wall behind the stove and countertop. This is how we make sure the refrigerator and microwave support does not move around when in transit. This is our inside exit grab assist handle support made out of a spoon handle. We are expecting high winds today. This is a family-size repurposed luncheon meat container. They fit perfectly, have a lid and won't move around.